Hi, it's Marayka, your Data 3 HP device specialist, and today I'm going to be unboxing one of HP's newest mobile workstation, the ZBook Firefly G7. With a starting weight of 1.3 kilograms and configurable with a dedicated NVIDIA graphics card, it is ideal for users who are on the go and don't want to compromise on performance. The HP ZBook Firefly G7 comes in two different sizes, a 14 and a 15 inch, and today I'll be unboxing the Firefly 14 with a 14 inch Full HD anti-glare screen size. Here we have the recyclable cardboard box, and inside it comes with the laptop and the charger. The HP Firefly is finished with a natural satin unibody aluminium chassis that is not only strong and uses less screws, but is also infinitely recyclable, which means that it can be melted down and used again. Some of the laptop's components are also made from recycled ocean-bound plastics to battle against plastic pollution. In fact, HP are recycling around 1 million plastic bottles per day and incorporating those plastics into their new products. Work remotely with confidence, as the mobile workstation goes through over 120 hours of testing and 50,000 test steps. Users can take it anywhere and push the limits with the HP ZBook Firefly G7, as it undergoes military standard testing, which includes drop tests, shock, altitude, and even high or low temperatures. HP ZBook Firefly G7 can be configured with NVIDIA's Quadro P520 4GB graphics card, which allows Office users to mine data from Excel pivot tables, open high-res files simultaneously and smoothly, all to increase productivity and multitasking. This mobile workstation is also tested and certified for AutoCAD and Adobe software. So whether you're a 2D content creator or a 3D architect or designer, you can work from anywhere. Work confidently and securely with HP, as the ZBook Firefly G7 comes with HP Sure Security, protecting the user, data, and device with added layers of security below, in, and above the OS. Below the OS, we have HP Sure Start, the world's first self-healing BIOS that can detect malware attacks on the BIOS and even recover from them. In the OS, HP Sure Sense harnesses deep learning AI that instinctively recognizes and protects users from zero-day or never-seen-before malware attacks. These are just a few of HP Sure Security protecting the user, whether they're working from home or in the office or even on the go. With the HD webcam, audio by Bang & Olufsen, and the world-facing microphone for noise cancellation and enhancement, makes those conference call experiences a whole lot better. Built with Intel's 10th gen quad-core processor, users can choose from an i5 or an i7 processor, up to 64 gigs of memory and up to 2 terabytes of storage to handle all those large files. Don't sacrifice weight for performance or convenience, as the Firefly is equipped with 2 USB 3.1, 2 Thunderbolt ports, a full-size HDMI, an audio jack and external nano SIM slot, so there's no need to carry around any dongles or adapters. If you are interested in finding out more or would like to request a demonstration, please contact your Data 3 account manager or visit us at data3.com.au.